since the original glazed donut is still their most popular product.
It's actually very popular.
Krispy Kreme donuts are famous for their irresistible taste and melt-in-your-mouth texture. But have you ever wondered how these iconic treats come to life? Let's look at the process that makes Krispy Kreme so special. Krispy Kreme's donut-making process starts with a simple but carefully crafted mixture of water, proprietary donut mix, and yeast. These ingredients are combined to create a soft, pliable dough that forms the base of the iconic donuts. This dough is the journey's starting point, transforming basic ingredients into the fluffy, perfectly shaped rings we recognize as Krispy Kreme donuts. Once the dough is mixed to the ideal consistency, it is transferred into a hopper. The hopper is a large, cone-shaped container designed to hold and release the dough in controlled amounts, ensuring a steady and smooth flow through the production line. The stage is crucial for maintaining consistency and ensuring that every batch of dough is handled carefully. From the hopper, the dough moves into the extruder, a specialized machine that plays a key role in shaping the donuts. The extruder is an engineering marvel designed to turn the bulk dough into perfect donut rings. It works by forcing the dough through a die or nozzle, which gives it its signature circular shape with a hole in the center. The die is carefully crafted to match the unique characteristics of the dough, such as its stickiness and consistency, ensuring that the dough flows smoothly and that the final shapes are precise. The extruder ensures that every donut is the same size and shape, which is critical for even cooking and consistent quality. Before reaching the die, the dough passes through a feeding mechanism inside the extruder. This mechanism typically consists of rollers or screws that gently push the dough forward. The rollers move slowly and steadily to prevent any damage to the dough's structure, preserving its light and airy texture. This process also ensures that the dough flows evenly through the system, preventing any interruptions or inconsistencies in the production line. Once the dough is forced through the die, it emerges as continuous rings. At this point, another critical component of the extruder comes into play: the cutting system. This system uses a blade or wire to slice the rings into individual pieces. The cutter operates precisely, ensuring each donut is perfectly shaped and dropped onto a conveyor belt. This conveyor belt then carries the donut rings to the next stage of the production process. The extruder's role in the donut-making process must be balanced. It transforms a bulk of dough into uniform, perfectly shaped rings ready for frying. This precision is essential for achieving the signature Krispy Kreme look and ensuring the donuts cook evenly. The extruder preserves the dough's soft texture by handling it gently and consistently, while maintaining an efficient flow through the production line. The balance of speed, accuracy, and care in this process highlights why the extruder is such a vital piece of equipment. Each donut ring that passes through it is one step closer to becoming a delicious treat millions worldwide love. Once the donuts are shaped, they move into the proof box, a tall glass case where magic starts to happen. The proof box is designed to provide the perfect balance of warmth and humidity. This environment encourages the yeast in the dough to activate, releasing tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide. These bubbles expand the dough, giving it that fluffy, airy texture. The proof box has a zigzag conveyor belt that carries the donut trays up and down, allowing each donut to spend just the right amount of time proofing. This step is crucial because it's where the donuts grow into their full, plump size, setting the stage for their signature lightness. The proof box is carefully calibrated to maintain consistent temperature and humidity levels. If it gets too warm or humid, vents in the machine automatically open to release excess heat or moisture, ensuring the perfect conditions are always maintained. Krispy Kreme keeps the exact settings a closely guarded secret, but the process is precise and lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. When the donuts leave the proof box, they are ready for the next stage, frying. Before we move on, if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Next up, frying is where the donuts get their golden brown crust and irresistible texture. The donuts drop gently from the conveyor belt into a bath of hot vegetable oil, heated to just the right temperature, between 355 and 360 degrees Fahrenheit. The oil cooks the donuts quickly, sealing in their soft interior while giving the outside a delicate crispiness. The donuts float in the oil, which cooks one side at a time. Midway through, a mechanical flipper turns them over so both sides cook evenly. This precise timing and flipping ensure that every donut is perfectly golden and cooked to the ideal consistency. After frying, the donuts move along the conveyor belt to cool slightly before they meet the famous glaze waterfall. The glaze is a simple yet delicious mixture of sugar, milk, and other secret ingredients. It's prepared in large batches and pumped to the top of the glazing station, where it cascades down like a waterfall. As the donuts pass through, they're coated in a smooth, shiny layer of glaze. This step is a hallmark of Krispy Kreme, giving their donuts that iconic glossy finish and sweet flavor. Customers lucky enough to visit a Krispy Kreme store during this process can enjoy a hot, freshly glazed donut right off the line, a truly unforgettable experience. Once glazed, the donuts continue their journey on the conveyor belt, taking a slow ride that lasts about 40 minutes. This cooling phase is essential to ensure the donuts are set properly and ready for packing. Without this step, packaging hot donuts would lead to a sticky, messy situation. During cooling, the donuts are given plenty of time to reach the perfect temperature, whether they'll be heading straight to customers or being prepared for delivery. In addition to their original glazed donuts, Krispy Kreme offers a variety of specialty donuts, each with its unique twist. Many specialty donuts start with the same yeast-raised dough, but are prepared differently. Some are dipped in chocolate, caramel, or other toppings, while others are filled with rich creams or fruity jams. Filled donuts, for example, go through the same proofing and frying process as the classic glazed ones, but they are shaped as round puffs rather than rings. Once fried, they're taken to a filling station where a precise machine injects them with cream, custard, or fruit filling. This process ensures each donut is evenly filled, delivering a burst of flavor with every bite. For chocolate lovers, Krispy Kreme offers donuts coated with a layer of chocolate icing. These donuts pass through a machine similar to the glaze waterfall, except this one drapes them in smooth, velvety chocolate. Afterward, they move through a cooling tunnel where the chocolate hardens, creating a perfect contrast to the soft donut underneath. But Krispy Kreme's creativity doesn't stop there. Some donuts are hand-dipped and decorated by skilled bakers in-store, making each one feel special and unique. From sprinkles to drizzles of caramel and swirls of frosting, every detail is carefully crafted to appeal to the eyes and the taste buds. These specialty donuts showcase Krispy Kreme's dedication to quality and variety, ensuring there's a donut for everyone. At the end of the production line, the donuts are packed into boxes and trays, ready to be delivered or displayed. For deliveries, Krispy Kreme uses temperature-controlled trucks to ensure the donuts stay fresh and delicious. The iconic "Hot Now" sign signals that fresh donuts are coming off the line for customers visiting the store, creating an irresistible invitation to indulge in a warm, freshly made treat. The entire process, from proofing to frying, glazing, and cooling, is a seamless blend of precision and artistry. It's a testament to Krispy Kreme's commitment to delivering high-quality donuts that are as delightful to look at as they are to eat. Whether biting into a classic original glazed or savoring a specialty flavor, each donut tells the story of meticulous care, innovative machinery, and a passion for making something special. Now let's have a quick look at their background. Krispy Kreme's journey began on July 13, 1937, in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Vernon Rudolph, the founder, bought a secret yeast-raised donut recipe from a French chef in New Orleans. He started by selling his donuts to local grocery stores, but the irresistible smell of freshly made donuts quickly drew people to his door. To meet the demand, Rudolph cut a hole in the wall of his shop and began selling hot, glazed donuts directly to customers on the sidewalk. That moment marked the beginning of a donut tradition loved worldwide. Over the years, Krispy Kreme refined its process to ensure every donut tasted perfect. Each store made its donuts from scratch in the early days, which led to inconsistency. To solve this, Krispy Kreme developed a central mix plant to deliver the same high-quality dry mix to all its stores. They also invented their donut-making machines, automating the process for precision and consistency. Today, Krispy Kreme donuts are made with care and innovation, and their success has grown worldwide, with over 700 stores across continents. In 2023, the company earned $1.69 billion in revenue, proving its enduring popularity. From its humble beginnings to global fame, Krispy Kreme continues to delight customers with donuts that are more than just a treat. They're a tradition. So, which Krispy Kreme flavor would you dive into right now? Classic glaze or something wild? Let us know in the comments below.